Come on. That's a good potato fetcher.
Want to do it again?
Oh, Jesus. Has she gone that far down before?
No, not that far.
Oh my God, look at her go.
It's very good. Hey, Chanel, Chanel. See the dog. Very good, baby. You want to do it again? One more time? You ready? Yeah? You doing it? Are you going to do it or not? Chanel, are you bored?
She had enough.
I'm tired. You want to do it one more time? Come on. Chanel. Here. Ready? Ready?
Oh, here she comes.